Hey, I know some of you out there who have the Access 24.1. This is a 2021 model, or if your model has this style of headlamp, trying to replace this out because the lighting on this was not very good. It's that amber color. They were pointed down. Had to drive with high beams on, which in high beam mode it looked pretty much like regular beams. But anyway, I'm trying to swap it out for LEDs. And so with this, I know some of you have asked, like, how do you get in there to it? And what it is, you'll notice, so this hole, there's two more. There's one there, and then there's another one down in that corner. And basically, it's that right there. So if I reach back in there, it's from the inside out, it would be bottom left, bottom right, top right. So here's your top left, bottom left, and so on. So anyway, that's how you do that. And then this outer ring actually then pops off. Just be careful because you got all those LEDs down at the bottom, and I didn't want to unhook them right at the moment. And then once you get through that, then there's three screws that hold this little ring on. So you can see 1, 2, and then the third one's right below my hand. Take that off, and then we're gonna find out because I haven't tried it yet, should be able then to remove that bulb, and then you can see the bulb is actually inside there. But I'm gonna look at it, see what housing, just try one of these others. I've heard from some others that the reflectivity inside there is not the greatest, but hey, it's got to be better than what it was. So I'll check it out here, but I wanted to show you that's how you can actually get into it. You don't have to take a tire off, you can get straight into it from the side. Just like this side over here, you can get in there. Trying to see if it'll show you. Anyway, there you go. Yep, so once you get those screws, that little metal ring, this then just pops out. But once you get this part and you see those two clamps, they're like on the back side of that thing. They're just holding it on. And you just got to wiggle it back and forth, but be careful because I had to use two hands that you don't, boom, drop this thing out this way. You don't want to bust this to have to buy a whole new piece. But all your numbers and stuff are on the back side, but that is how you can actually get in there. And it looks like it needs to be cleaned out just a little bit. It looks like quite a bit of dirt buildup. But anyway, that's how you get into this headlight assembly. So then to get to the bulb, twist. This part just twists, and then it can, I'm doing this one-handed, I haven't even done it yet, but this thing then just comes off, and then your bulb should pop out of there, which I can't do it one-handed. I can feel it moving, you can see it moving. Anyway, so that's it, there it goes. So ta-da, there you go, that's what we want to replace. So these were the bulbs I ended up getting. They are the Silver Star, so the Sylvanias. This is actually what was in the housing up here. The Sylvania Ultra 9007s, because the Axis has one set of bulbs, and then the Vegas has a different set of bulbs. So this is the HP5 9007. Now I got the Superstar Ultras because they are supposedly the longer, like so they're farther out, wider, so because yeah, the headlights that come on this thing are not the greatest. As far as adjustment, because I noticed they pointed down, I believe, because I see two screws, there's one right up here and one right over here, and they are only on this housing. When I started moving this top one, it did seem like it was pulling it back. And then also the reason I say that is because there is a spring down on this bottom one that makes me think that it's trying to pull or adjust one way or another. So like this would bring it more in or out, this would bring it more up or down. Those, I believe, you can actually kind of get into from the outside without having this on. I'll check it out here in just a second after I get the ring on, but there, wanted to show you that part, and then I'm gonna go over to the other side. I was doing some work and some research earlier, and so it's been taking me just a little bit longer. Okay, lessons learned on this other side. I took off this top, so took those off, and then I just loosened this one over here, and I can move this around enough, like you can see the screws there, and then I move it out, the screws right there. I can then get that ring off without having to take this whole thing off, because I mean, reaching that far corner is kind of it's a little bit of a little tricky one, but it's actually pretty easy to reach all of them. I'm surprised how easy it actually is. So but from me doing it this time, I'm doing the 3. This thing, I'll have it done in about 5 minutes, literally. Like, it's been that fast. I was just doing research so much earlier today on, like, can I do the LED, or what can I do? And so there was only a handful of them, but I wanted to do it today because we're probably going to be using it tomorrow, and I wanted to make sure it was ready to go. So anyway, I just want to give you a little quick tip here on that one. Just do these 3. There you go. You're good. Bye-bye.